Clean up level. Let's add some finishing touches to our level. Limit level bounds. Let's prevent our hero from falling off the edge of our very flat world. LDtk. Open up the levels in LDtk. Press the E key to open up project entities. Click the plus button to add a new entity and set Identifier to Collider, Misc Options, check Can Be Out of Level Bounds, Documentation, Invisible Collider, Resizable, Width and Height, Editor Visual, Internal Icons by Final Boss Blues. Select the icon that looks like a white fence. From the drop-down, change Fit Inside Bounds to Repeat. Press Escape to close project entities. Select the Triggers layer with the F1 key. Select the new Collider entity. Draw 4 walls inside the level. Drag from left to right to create a wall, then click and drag to move the wall outside of the level bounds. Drag from top to bottom to create a wall on the sides. Repeat on all sides, then repeat on all levels. Note, if you're having trouble, I notice that dragging right to left or bottom to top doesn't seem to work very well. Press Command S to save the LDtk file. Unity. Open up Unity to finish off our new colliders. In Hierarchy, press Command-Shift-N to create a new game object. Name it Offset. Press Command-Shift-G to create a new parent. Name it Collider. Click Offset. In Inspector, change position to 0.5, negative 0.5. Press Command-Shift-A. Add a Box Collider 2D component to the offset. In Hierarchy, drag the Collider object to our Project Prefabs folder. In the Project panel, under Scenes/LDtk, select the Treasure Hunter's LDtk file. From the Prefabs folder, drag the Collider prefab into the Collider entity slot in the inspector. Click Apply. In Hierarchy, remove the Collider object from the scene. Press Command and P to run the scene. Go ahead, try to run off the level. Hey, it works. No code needed. Level loading. Last time we added an exit prefab to load the next level, except it doesn't actually load the next level. In your IDE of choice, create a level manager class in a file called levelmanager.cs. Copy the following code. Open the exit script. Delete the debug log statement we added last time. In its place, let's call levelmanager.instance.loadNextLevel. Add another level. Last time we only created a single level scene. Let's add another. Press Command-N to add a new scene. Select Basic 2D. In Hierarchy, delete Main Camera. In Project, under Scenes/LDtk/Treasure Hunters, drag level_1 into the hierarchy. In Inspector Transform, click on the 3 dots and click Reset to change position to 0, 0, 0. Press Command-S to save the scene under Assets/Scenes. Name it Level 1. Update the Build Scene list. In order for our level manager to work, we need to add all of the levels to our Builds Scene list. Press Command-Shift-B to open Build Profiles. Under Scene List, select Sample Scene. Press Delete. In the main Unity project panel, select Scenes. Click Level 0. Hold down Shift and click Level 1 to select both levels. Switch back to the Build Profile screen by pressing Command and Grav Accent on macOS, or just press Command-Shift-B again. Drag the selected levels from the project panel into the scene list. In the project panel, double-click Scenes/Level 0 to open Level 0 again. Press Command-P to play the game and test out the new level manager.